This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a QuickBooks Invalid product number. First, close all QuickBooks windows and applications to prevent conflicts. Next, gather your QuickBooks product and license numbers, as you will need them shortly. Finally, confirm you have administrator rights on your computer, which is crucial for making necessary system changes. This ensures a smooth process. The next step involves renaming a specific file. Navigate to the Entitlement Data folder, which is usually found in a hidden program data directory. Locate the file named Entitlement Data Store, ECML, within this folder. Right-click on it and choose Rename, then simply add Old to the end of the file name. This action forces QuickBooks to create a new, clean entitlement file upon restart. Now, it's time to re-register your QuickBooks software. Open QuickBooks by right-clicking its icon and selecting Run as Administrator. You will then be prompted to enter your product and license numbers. Carefully input these details. After successful entry, QuickBooks should open without the invalid product number error, confirming the fix. If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, don't worry. First, ensure your QuickBooks is updated to the latest release, as updates often fix known bugs. You can also run the QuickBooks Tool Hub, which offers various diagnostic tools. If the problem still persists, contacting QuickBooks support directly is your best option for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.